Hello, in this video we'll be unboxing Motorola Edge 13 Neo. So right here I have this box, and it's a basic cardboard colored box, as you can see obviously. Here on the back we have a sticker, so we'll need to cut it to access the insides of this box. So this phone goes for around $401 US dollars. It also rocks 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage space. In front we have the phone itself, but we're gonna check it later. On this side of the box there's basically nothing. There's a cutout for the camera. Here we can find the instructions and warranties, and also a needle for the USB. And for Motorola, sometimes I would recommend to keep that, as the length of this needle is not as in any other phone, so just better to keep it. So the instructions, nothing else. Let's hide it. So the rest of accessories is a charger socket. Right here it has USB-C plug, and the USB cable, which is USB-C on both of the sides. So now that we've unboxed entire box, we can move on to the device. Here it's protected by a white sticker with Motorola logo. On the back we can find the 2 cameras. There's a flash right here. It's a 64 megapixels OIS. There's actually a case already installed on it, and that might be because this box was opened by someone, but there was a sticker. But on your device it might be inside this little thing right here. So yeah, this should be included. On the right we can find volume up and volume down key, power key. On the bottom we have a speaker, probably microphone, USB-C plug, and also the SIM or SD card slot. On top there's only microphone and Dolby Atmos, ATMOS, speaker for the phone calls. And yeah, now let's try removing this white thing from it, which hopefully is easy. And right here I noticed there's a gap so that we can remove it easily. So let's just try that. Okay, nice. Now let's try powering on this device.
Hello, Moto.
Here we have it, and first pick the language to be used on this device. There's also emergency call or vision settings. Now let's proceed with a start button. You can connect to mobile network by getting this SIM or SD card slot with your needle, which we shown in the beginning of the video. Now let's skip that. Connect to Wi-Fi, so we didn't put any SIM card into this phone, so we don't have any internet connection. So let's try connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Here, enter the password, connect. So we're connected to the internet now, and I would recommend using internet connection while being in the setup, as it reveals more options. Here you can accept any privacy and software updates, and I'm just gonna accept to all of them. Of course, you can read through that privacy policy or any other information right here and accept it whichever you want. Now let's proceed. Here you can copy any apps or data from Google Backup if you have one. I don't, so let's click on Don't Copy to skip that. Sign in to Google account, and I would strongly recommend that, as it also reveals more options and features to this device. You can skip that by pressing on the skip button in the bottom left corner. So now I'm just gonna sign in. After you put the right password and email address, you'll be asked who'll be using this device, and in this case I'll be using it, so let's proceed and click on I agree. Accept to any of these Google services right here, and then click on accept. Choose your default search engine, and in this case let's go with Google. Set up the PIN code for your device to protect it. There's also screen lock options, and there'll be more if you click on it, like pattern, PIN and password. I'm gonna skip that also. Here you can continue setup or leave and get reminder. So for now let's just leave the setup. Stay in the know. It's some Motorola services which you can allow notifications for, and I'm gonna click on not now and then not now again. You can log in or sign up to Motorola account or something like that. I'm also gonna skip that right now. You can choose a theme for your device, so that's a light or dark. I'm going with dark one. Let's proceed. Choose navigation style, buttons or gestures. If you choose buttons, you'll have default 3 buttons down here. If you use gestures, that means you can navigate through your phone without these buttons. I'm gonna use them. And now we're all set. Click done, and now let's just move to the settings to see the device information. And it should be at the bottom, about phone, and here we can find the device name. Also, if we scroll down, we can see Android version, some IP address, build number, and etc. So I'm actually trying to find the specifications of this device, maybe hardware information, and here we have it. That's a RAM size, ROM size, storage size, display, camera, NFC, and a dual SIM. So you can find all of this information right here, which I said in the beginning. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.